Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can fix this issue. Class V8JS not found in PHP for Windows. First of all, we need to make sure that Apache is not working. So first of all, open exam. After that, click stop, then exit the exam. After that, open this website. Here we can download PHP version that supports V8JS files. So just click this link and this link gonna start downloading the needed files, and after clicking this link you'll get this file. After that, extract it. Now click this folder to get cut. After that, move it to exam root folder, click paste. After that, rename the main PHP file. I will name it php00. You can rename it to any other name. After that, rename the new PHP folder to PHP. Now enter the old PHP folder, then copy extras, move it to the new PHP file. Now go to the old PHP version and copy php.ini file. Now open php.ini file. Now we can edit this file to make it support V8JS. Okay, so let's move to extensions. I will search it. Alright, we got them here. Now just write extension equal and V8JS. That's it all. Now save the file and turn on Apache. Now move to the web and let's now try to check if it is working or not. And boom, it's working fine. Thanks for watching, and if you need anything, comment us in the comment section and we will answer you shortly. Thanks.